Hello everyone, and today's video, which I haven't done for a while, is on the SP-445, which is a 4x5 film developing tank. And I'm going to be loading it up tonight, and we'll do some developing with it. Maybe tomorrow, if we can get set up. By the way, I'm Dennis, and we are kind of on a makeshift location here in my 26-foot travel trailer. We are in Elephant Butte, New Mexico. It is home of the largest lake in New Mexico. It is a very beautiful place, sitting down into the mountains. So we're going to get out and take some pictures. I did take some pictures today, some 4x5s that we will do a video on. Maybe after I take some more. We'll have to see. But anyway, this SP-445, it will do 4 films. You can load a film on the front and the back of this, and you have two of them in here. Slide your film in. There's little tabs here, 4 on each side, and you slide your film down underneath there. There's a tab here at the bottom that retains it from going any farther, and do that on both sides. And so you can do 4 films, as I mentioned. You slide it right back down inside here, and you have a fill drain, a fill and a drain, and a vent. And you have a tab here, tab here. You line those tabs up. You push down. Snap in there pretty good. Now what's going to happen is you're going to use about 4.75 I think it is milliliters of developing, and so you'll pour it in here. We'll show some of that in the addition of this video when I actually develop the film. So you pour the fluid down in there. You put your cap on. What I do is grab it here and I push. I actually squeeze, and you'll see the fluid come up possibly. And then put the vent cap on. This should seal it to where you don't have any leaks. If you have leaks, then you didn't squeeze hard enough to force air out and make a suction when you put the lid back on. So anyway, that's something that we will be looking at when we actually use it for developing. And like I say, I'm going to I got some film here. Actually, I got more than 4. I think I got actually 2, 4, 6. I think I actually got 7 4x5s that I need to develop. But so anyway, that's the quick review and what's simple about using the SP-445. So it's and the SP is the Stearman Press, name of it. I believe that's the way you say it. And the 4 is you can do 4 sheets, and 4.5 is 4x5 film. But like I say, I've had real good success with it. I've got I just purchased a roller developer, an old one, but it leaked, so I'm not even using that. But so we will discuss this a little bit more when we do some developing with it. So that's it for this segment of it. Remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and hopefully I'll get to some more videos. I've been kind of lax. I've been traveling. This is probably my 5th week. I spent a month in Tularosa, New Mexico, where I did some videos there. I'm going to try to get to some more. Like I say, it's kind of all makeshift, and we'll do the best we can and try to get some information out on some of this stuff. So that's it for this segment, and I'll get film loaded into this tonight, and maybe we'll develop it tomorrow. See you then.